I'm Christine Davis with the Illinois Environmental Protection Agency, and I am a co-chair for the Illinois River Conference.
I'm Bill White. I'm co-chair also of the Illinois River Conference, and I'm the manager of the Peoria Research Facility for the Center for Watershed Science at the State Water Survey, part of the Prairie Research Institute at the University of Illinois.
I'm Scott Wallace. I'm a district conservationist with the USDA Natural Resources Conservation Service in Peoria County, and I'm a co-chair of the Conservation Bus Tour.
This year's conference is the 13th Biennial Conference on the Management of the Illinois River System. We've got a lot of national speakers. The conference focus is really a focus on national opportunities. We need to seek out other sources of funding and try to find some sustainable funding sources to really achieve the vision that we have for the Illinois River System.
There's a number of highlights in the conference that are exciting to me this year as a co-chair. We've got an integrated digital technical open house that's going to have representation from state and federal and possibly some local organizations highlighting with their computers the types of computer coverage tools and models that are available for people to use as they're doing watershed planning and protection of their own local water resources. We've got a number of keynote and plenary presentations that are going to be wonderful, that are going to be talking about not only local issues but national issues. And then in addition to that, we've got 12 concurrent sessions that pretty well cover almost any topic that you could want for watershed issues or rivers and water quality. Basically, if you list a topic, I can probably tell you a session that you'll want to attend.
The Conservation Bus Tour is actually the kickoff session of the Governor's Conference. It's always held on the Tuesday before the actual start of the conference. We're going to be traveling along Route 29 through Peoria. Our first stop will be near the Waterworks plant in Peoria. We'll get down to the river's edge where we'll actually be having to talk from a Army Corps of Engineers personnel to show us and give us some ideas on what's happening with the island being constructed in the Illinois River. And from there, we'll travel across the bridge over to Lakin, where we have a lunch planned. That lunch is actually going to be provided with locally grown produce. And then leaving from Lakin, we'll be headed back down on the east side of the river through Woodford and eventually Tazewell counties. We'll be traveling to the Woodford County State Fish and Wildlife Area, where just outside of that there's a cropland field that's going to be growing its last crop this year. Once we leave there, we're headed back to East Peoria, where we'll pull into the parking lot of the newly constructed Bass Pro Shops.
There's more information on all of the conference, plus the tour, the Riverwatch Symposium, and the program itself located at our website.